Okay, we are reading the manual of the 70mai, and there's apparently something called voice command. So if you see that it says take picture, so it should take a photo when you say that command.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's the thing that we're trying to, make it take a photo of. Alright, so let's try this. Take picture. Alright, see.
Okay.
Alright, so it works for me.
Now me.
The car owner needs to try.
Take picture. Oh, I got
Okay,
it.
so you are all the way
One more
up there just now, right? So now,
Okay, now I come here. Take picture.
Doesn't work.
Take picture. Bridget. Take picture. I don't want to curse in your video, but take picture. Okay.
So I guess you can say that she's a bit stubborn and very selective on what she wants to do and not do.
Her name is Bridget. So annoying. Record a video. Is it recording? Is it saying record?
No, it says record video, not record a video.
Record video. Record video. Take picture.
Okay, so that works, right? Let me try that. Record video.
Start recording.
Henry!
I think it's just you.
Stop recording.
No, it doesn't work that way. There's only two commands that it will recognize.
Record video. Record video.
No, it's not done. It's not done recording yet. I guess
I need to close it.
it should be 30 seconds, and it will finish recording your so-called emergency video.
Okay.
So it's still blinking. So
Also meaning it's recording.
yeah, so it's still recording. So yeah, there.
Okay,
So now it's
okay,
completed.
okay.
Now you can try
Try
your
again, yeah.
video command.
Record video. I'm trying to speak her voice. Record video.
Start recording emergency video.
I guess you need to speak a bit louder. I don't think she can hear you very
I
well.
thought I was screaming already, Henry.
Apparently not. She can't hear you.
Bridget liked my voice really much.
Yeah, so
I've got
at long
Bridget.
last you managed to get her to record video for you. So yeah, interesting ownership ahead for Miss Go here.
Yeah. Bridget, you know why I named her Bridget? So I know this fridge that was called Bridget because it has a little digital screen there which it talks to you. But the thing is, Bridget is difficult. It's difficult to get in because you need to get her to get you. Yeah,
So it's a one-way street kind of thing.
yes. You
Okay.
have to work harder for her than she.
I think she's just deaf. Maybe she's like 79 this year.
Take picture.
Okay.
It's a sexy one.
I think she's just selective.
Record video. Record video.
Start recording emergency
You have to speak very like. Take picture.
I guess you know her mood now.
Yeah.
So you know how to get her attention.
Yes,
Well, it's
I
okay.
do.
I'm not using it because I have one in my car that's a different model and it doesn't have voice command, so I won't be able to have this kind of fun.
That's why this is so cool, Henry. You know, one day, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna have Belle in the car, Henry.
I think you two are gonna have a lot of fun, to be honest.
I'm gonna go to her. I'm not gonna say anything to her, and I'm gonna go take picture. Let's see what she do.
Yeah, it'll be interesting. Well,
She'll be like, oh, okay.
I hope Del doesn't watch this video
No,
before
yeah.
you actually see her.
No,
although I
okay.
might post it soon.
Don't post it on your Instagram.
Okay,
first.
alright,
Yeah,
fine.
because she don't follow out on your your YouTube.
Okay, then I'll put it on YouTube. No, she
Yes.
does follow me on YouTube.
But she doesn't follow up.
Okay,
Yeah.
alright.
But she look into your Instagram, so
Interesting. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, that is Miss Go's brand new present.
take picture.
Yeah. So I think it only works when you speak in a very sexy
Yeah.
accent.
There's very deep. Take picture. I can't. It's really just taking my sexy voice only.
Yeah, interesting. Alright,
Yeah.
there you go. That's what's the model again?
70.
Oh yeah. So it's the I just dropped the menu. It's the 70mai Smart Dashcam 1S. So it's basically the most basic dashcam you can get from 70mai.
But still, it's the coolest, I would say.
Yeah, I mean it's very small. Looks a bit like what's the brand? The Blackview. So it's very small and compact.
Yeah, I love it.
And yeah, we have installed in such a way that the wire runs all around there.
See,
Yeah, it's concealed behind there under the glove box. Then the wire runs all the way through to the cigarette lighter. So that's the best thing. You don't need someone professional to help you install this thing. I am not a professional, by the way.
He is for me.
Yeah, I'm just a random
Random car guy.
car guy. I'm not a professional installer, so you don't need a degree for this.
No, but anything though, like anything you need to know about car, Henry is the person to go.
No, don't listen to her. There's better experts. I can only tell you the basics. Yeah. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Hope you enjoy the unboxing.
What? We didn't do that.
Take picture.
See, doesn't work
Take
anymore.
picture.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. She had enough fun already. Alright, see you guys. Alright, so after we ended the last video, she decided to do something a little bit more夸张lah, shall we say, right? So would you like to show the ladies and gentlemen?
How Bridget is.
Yeah.
Take picture.
Not perform this action.
Yeah, so basically she just said no to her on the command. So you want to try to take video instead?
Record video. Record video.
Not perform this action.
Yeah, so basically a dash cam has just said no to her showing authority.
Yeah. She is
Yeah.
the boss instead of me.
Yeah.
I'm the person who speaks, but she's the commander here.
Sad. Oh well. we'll find out more what's going on because it's actually there's a blue light instead of the green light that we saw just now. So I don't know what it means.
Maybe because it's not recording this one.
It is not recording, but I think you better check the manual on what the light means.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so I'm not an expert like
Can
I
we
mentioned.
try
Oh, it's
now?
green now.
Okay, let's try now. Take picture. Take picture. Take picture. Take picture.
So you see,
What
she
the-
decided to ignore you first.
Yeah.
Then now she no,
Yeah.
she decided to tell
Say
you no. Then now it's like
She's done with me. She's done.
yeah,
She's properly done.
and it's just like within the first hour of your ownership, right?
No, not even Henry. You got here like half an hour ago, only.
Yeah, half an hour, and the dash cam is really showing
Yes,
attitude.
yeah.
So I guess she's fired.
She's a Bridget. You have to work with her, Henry. She's not fired. She needs to be here.
It's okay.
Take
She's the
picture.
owner.
Henry is not coming. Take picture. What the?
Yeah, have fun. I'm sure you have a lot of fun with Belle.
Yep. Yeah, Delary, if you're watching this, take picture.
Yeah, but it's green now,
I
and
don't
it's
know
still not
what's going
responding.
on, Yeah. Where's the lights thingy? I'm trying to find it.
I have no idea. And that's the menu. It's not very big.
Yeah, I think I must scan these things to maybe look at it. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's scan for user guide.
Okay, so 我係包安裝嘅啫, okay? I'm
Yeah,
not
hi,
the
hi.
after service thing, alright?
More after service. This salesperson not very good.
Yeah, I'm not a very good salesperson.
After sales service 0. Where is the color?
I saw it on the phone just now, but that was like the beginning guide when you open it.
Maybe I can find guides.
Good luck with it.
Okay, no,
Alright.
no.
I think I'm going to end this video here.
Ciao guys. Thanks for tuning in.
Yeah. Good luck with your new 70 Mai.
Thank you. About.